Hey guys, welcome to my new home. I'm so excited, like I can't even stop smiling. But yeah, your girl got her first apartment, so I'm out of breath. Give me a second. Jesus. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do my empty apartment tour. Yeah, so I'm gonna start at the front door. This is just the entrance, and this is my living room area. It's pretty nice. Yeah, and I have a balcony. There's a big ass spider out here, so yeah, it's a good size. And then this is the kitchen area. Stainless steel appliances. I love it. Yeah, this is the kitchen area. A lot of cabinet space. I love the cabinet space. And I do have like a pantry right here as well. And then this is my bedroom. I just have a one bedroom, by the way. This is my bedroom. Nice big windows. This is actually my first time seeing the unit because the one I toured is not the one I chose. But yeah, it does have a ceiling fan. And then, oh, the door is open. And then this is my laundry area. So it does come with, oops, focus. Okay, there we go. It does come with both washer and dryer. And then this is my bathroom. So I have an entry from like not my room. And then I also have an entry from my room directly. So yeah, I'll probably keep this one closed. And I do have a little linen closet. It's a lot of space, that's all I can say. Yeah, it's a lot of space in here. And then this is the bathroom area. I love the cabinets, the color of the cabinets. I love the bathroom. It's not, the sink is not too small, and I love that. Yeah. It's a pretty decent size. I'm all the way back there. And then this is the toilet, of course, and then the shower. I did get a new shower head to replace it. And then over to the left, I have my closet. I don't have much clothes, so this size is perfect for me. Oh, let me turn the light on. So this size is perfect for me. Guys, I'm just in awe. I like can't believe it. Turn the light off. But guys, yes, this is my apartment. Like, it's a pretty quick empty apartment tour, but you know, it's not too big. It's a good enough size for me. It's just for me alone. So yeah, this is perfect. So I'm just gonna give you like an overview.